Hi, welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the post market analysis. Nifty price action suggests that bulls, after a one way move from 18,700 to 19,900 levels, need some breather or a consolidation at current levels. Profit booking clearly visible at higher levels, which is also a healthy sign for markets. Nifty strong supports placed at 19,600, 19,400, followed by 19,200 levels. Strong resistance at 19,850, 19,980 levels. Bank Nifty price action clearly indicates 46,400 remains a strong supply area, resistance zones 45,300 followed by 44,500 crucial supports. We'll wait and watch for price action in coming days for further trend confirmation and directional move. My humble request, so far, if you're finding the video educating and if you're learning something new, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and do let me know in the comments. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Take care.